Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting retro futuristic cars of the year, the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Vocho Beetle. This is not just a tribute to the legendary classic Beetle, it's a complete reinvention, blending iconic charm with futuristic design, cutting-edge tech, and next-level efficiency. Whether you're a fan of the vintage model or looking for something uniquely modern, this car offers a package that's hard to ignore. From the outside, the 2026 Vocho Beetle is a stunning blend of retro curves and modern aggressiveness. Volkswagen has retained the famous rounded silhouette that made the original Beetle so recognizable, but now it's been sharpened with aerodynamic lines, a bolder stance, and LED lighting technology throughout. The front end features a minimal yet sophisticated grille, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights that adapt automatically to driving conditions. The bumper is sculpted with precise contours, giving the car a sporty edge without losing its classic charm. The side profile maintains the bubble-like structure of the original, but with larger wheels, sculpted doors, and flush handles that pop out electronically. Around the back, you'll find a wraparound LED taillight strip that glows with a futuristic aura and a subtle spoiler integrated into the roofline. It's available in a variety of modern and vintage-inspired colors, including glacier white, ocean blue, and a limited edition sunshine yellow that pays tribute to the original. Inside, the 2026 Vocho Beetle is a completely different world. Step in, and you're greeted by a high-tech minimalist cabin that feels straight out of the future. The dashboard is clean and symmetrical, dominated by a massive curved OLED display that combines the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless interface. The system supports voice-controlled gesture navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even facial recognition for user profiles. Ambient lighting runs along the doors and dashboard, customizable to dozens of colors to match your mood or theme. The seats are wrapped in vegan leather, ergonomically designed for both comfort and style, and available in dual-tone combinations with retro stitching. Even the steering wheel is inspired by the original, but reimagined with touch-sensitive controls and a flat-bottom design for better grip. In terms of practicality, the Vocho Beetle doesn't disappoint. Despite its compact size, it offers surprisingly good space for both front and rear passengers, thanks to clever packaging and a flat floor design in the EV variant. Storage space in the front trunk or frunk adds to the cargo capacity, while the rear hatch opens up to a deep boot that can handle your daily essentials or a weekend getaway. Volkswagen has even integrated an air purifier system and a panoramic sunroof with smart tint control, making the cabin feel airy and refined. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Vocho Beetle comes in both electric and hybrid versions, depending on the market. The base electric variant features a single motor delivering around 201 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque, enough to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 7 seconds. It's quick, smooth, and whisper quiet thanks to the advanced EV platform it shares with other add-ease models from Volkswagen. The top-tier dual-motor all-wheel drive version boosts output to 302 horsepower, offering a much sportier drive with dynamic handling and superb grip. Regenerative braking and multiple drive modes let you tailor your experience, from eco-friendly commutes to spirited weekend drives. As for range, the electric model offers up to 500 kilometers, about 310 miles, on a full charge with its 77 kWh battery. Fast charging support allows you to get from 10% to 80% in just about 30 minutes at a high-speed charging station. For those who prefer hybrids, there's a turbocharged 1.4-liter engine paired with an electric motor producing a combined output of 245 horsepower, ideal for buyers who want flexibility and extended range without going fully electric. Safety and driver assist tech are also a big part of the 2026 Vocho Beetle package. It comes with Volkswagen's IQ.Drive suite, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and an advanced 360-degree camera system. The car even includes a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising, making it both fun and relaxing to drive. Now let's talk about pricing. The base electric model starts around $32,000 USD, while the mid-level trim with added features comes in at roughly $38,000. The top-spec dual-motor odd version pushes the price up to about $44,000. For the hybrid variant, pricing starts at approximately $29,000. Considering what you're getting in terms of technology, style, performance, and heritage, it's a strong value proposition in today's competitive compact market. So there you have it. The 2026 Volkswagen Vocho Beetle is not just a car, it's a revival of a cultural icon brought into the future. Whether you're into tech, design, efficiency, or just looking for something that stands out in a crowd, this Beetle delivers in every area. Let me know in the comments what you think about this reinvented classic. Would you consider buying one? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.